Traci Martin with Intech Freight Logistics, a certified MercuryGate value-added reseller integrator.
This video is to demonstrate how to add a contracted carrier rate from the route board. We have a couple of different ways this can be handled. The first one is to hover over the financials column on the load that you want to add the contract rate to, the carrier contracted rate. Select the drop down for Add Contract Rate. And you can see here it pulled up a few different contracts. I'm just going to select the first one I have here on my list. Save selected rate. And now you can see here if I hover over it, we have a total line haul of $700 on this execution load. Another way you can do this is simply selecting Assign Carrier Rate. You can also select Assign Rate, which opens up the Assign Customer Rate blue button and the Assign Carrier Rate, and select Assign Carrier Rate from here. And in this Source Carriers window, we have a button From Contract, and you can select your carrier and contracted rate from here. I'm going to go ahead and select a different one, say OK, and now I'm going to say Selected here, and close again. And now you will see that we have another contracted carrier rate on this execution load that was selected from the blue button. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments or email us at tms_solutions@intechlogistics.com. For more information on Intech's MercuryGate partnership, visit www.intechfreight-logistics.com/TMS. Please do give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to this channel to get future videos first. Thanks very much for watching.